Natural remedies for white tongue. While white tongue may not be a serious condition, it might feel like it at times. There is so much hearsay about white tongue that anyone could believe that its prelude's a serious problem. However, that's rarely the case. However, there's truth in the fact that it could be related to a malfunctioning liver or to a digestive problem. Because of this, it's a good idea to see a medical professional if we find ourselves with this condition. It could also be a symptom of candidiasis. On the other hand, it may also result from a hygienic problem, a side effect of tobacco, or a weakened defense system. The latter can result from many possibilities, from a reaction to a stressful moment to a sudden time change. Whatever your case may be, we'll show you some natural remedies that'll help you get rid of this problem. Natural remedies for white tongue. 1. 2 cloves of garlic. Daily garlic is a great food for fighting against white tongue. Its properties just might be the best for treating the condition, regardless of the cause. First of all, we benefit from its antibiotic and antifungal action. Thanks to those properties, garlic can be a big help for us whether we have candidiasis or microbes lodged in our tongue. In addition, because garlic contains so many vitamins, it balances out the immune system and allows us to recover better and faster. Don't forget that many of those vitamins also stimulate cellular regeneration. What should you do? We highly recommend eating raw garlic. If you can't handle the taste, or if you're worried about bad breath, you can choose to mix it into salads and cold foods. If it's impossible for you to eat raw garlic, cooking it makes for a less potent option, but it'll work as well. Coarse salt. It's obvious that coarse salt, because of its rough texture, is a great exfoliant. In addition, its minerals are great for nourishing and protecting the tongue. They act like antioxidants, which allows for faster recovery. At the same time, coarse salt is effective for treating infections thanks to its antiseptic qualities. If you can, choose unrefined salt. Unrefined salt still has all of its powers without any side effects because it hasn't been treated chemically. What should you do? To use this natural white tongue remedy, all you need to do is take a pinch of salt and rub it gently on your tongue. Remember that if you apply the salt too aggressively, you could worsen the problem. Aloe vera gel. The role that this plant has in natural medicine is comparable to that of garlic. Its benefits are numerous, which is why we can use it for almost any problem. Because it's so useful, we suggest that you keep your own aloe vera plant. It's easy to take care of, and having one at home would be like having your own pharmacy. It's great for treating inflammations and for eliminating bacteria, which is just what we need for white tongue. In order to maximize from its benefits, you can take a teaspoon of gel and pass it over your tongue for a minute using circular motions. Another option is to consume it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 15 grams, 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. What should you do? Add the teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the glass of water, mix well and drink. You can take this remedy 2 times a day until the problem disappears. Turmeric. Like spicy foods, turmeric has incredible properties for fighting off infections, fungus and oral pain. What's interesting is that we always associate spices with a burning sensation. However, it lasts only for an instant. After, you'll notice a decrease in the pain that results from white tongue. As if that wasn't enough, it also tunes up your liver by aiding in its draining process as well as helping your gallbladder in its functions. Turmeric is also great for improving and speeding up digestion. If you want to maximize its benefits, you should mix it with lemon. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 grams, lemon juice, just enough. What should you do? You need a teaspoon of turmeric and the juice of a citric fruit. There aren't any exact measurements, just use enough to make a paste. When you have the paste, you only need to rub it onto your tongue for 2 minutes and rinse out your mouth after. As you can see, these are all very simple natural remedies. Despite their simplicity, they've proven to be very successful in their objective. Nature blesses us with plenty of therapies with which we share an origin, which is what they almost never have any side effects.